Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on a 2013 to 2020 Lexus GS350. How to change the engine air filter. It's a very simple process to do. Hopefully I will save you some time and money and also give you some knowledge. Note this may be a very similar process to other Lexus vehicle as well. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. To start, there's three push pins on the front. So just push on it, just push down on it, then you want to take it out. So let's push on this one as well. That's the second one, and the last one's over here. I want to push the push pin over here. There we go. So next we want to take it out. Of course, you could use a tool to take it out, but I don't think a tool is really needed because this is very simple to do. If you could grab it, you could come out, or you just lift the cover up over here. And the pin just comes out like that. So of course you're going to reuse these pins. I'm going to take all three of these out first. So my trick is actually to just lift it a little bit. And the last one's on the bottom over here. I'm just going to lift it. There it goes. So on these pins, you notice that this, the screw thing points out. Just push it back up a little bit to unlock it. So later on when you push it back in, you can push the push pin again. So notice like that. I'm going to keep on the side, all three of these. There's also another pin. You probably notice it's on the top over here. It's a different type of pin. And I'm going to show you, it's not that easy to take it out for this one in particular. Just slide it. So, it has enough slack. So I don't want to attempt to break it or anything like that either. See? I'm just going to slide it like this. So the air filter has 4 latches, okay? So there's one over here, there's one over here, another one over here, and there's one behind it. So filming this video, I forgot about the one in the back. It won't open, so make sure you do this one. So once you do that, you can take the engine air filter out. And I recommend using the OEM brand because look at how dense it is, the quality. So that's the part number. And since I just changed this recently, I'm going to put this one back in. It depends on how often you drive, of course, when you change it. So to put this thing back, make sure everything is aligned with the edges. I just use the top over here and the top over here of the rectangle. If everything is aligned, even before locking it, you notice that it's very nicely fitted. So just latch it back up. Same thing over here. There's 4 of these. Okay, nice and sturdy. Then we can slide the cover back on. Then we put the push pin back on. And that's how simple it is to change it. You don't need to spend the whole day or pay a lot of money to get this thing done. And it's not going to get your hands dirty either, by the way, if you wear some gloves. So make sure the thing's aligned. The hardest part is probably to put the pin back in, aligned with the hole. You can play Lego, then you can probably do this. So let's push over here, gently tap the top of the push pin, you lock it in place. So I'm going to do this one over here, same process. I'm going to do the last one over here as well. This one I probably should have done number 2, but notice that it's not 100% aligned. And it'll get in there. And there it is. So that's how simple it is to change the engine air filter. Hopefully this helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. And see you next time. Bye.